Welcome to Learn Mathematics with Moni. Get your books and pen and get ready to learn.
Fractions and decimals. Decimals are also fractions. Just that they come with a point that is called decimal point. What we regularly refer to fraction is something that has a numerator and a denominator. They are usually referred to as fraction. So for the purpose of this lesson, I'll be calling this pattern of numerator over denominator fractions, and when I see something like a dot b, because of this decimal point, I'll be calling it decimal for the purpose of this class. Please always understand when I say that. We want to see how to convert from fractions to decimal and vice versa. Conversion of fractions to decimal. I'll take this first. The easiest conversion there is the conversion of fractions that have multiples of 10 as their denominator. For example, when I have 1 over 10, I want to convert it to decimal. This is one of the easiest conversion. Let us see how to. 1 over 10 means 1 divided by 10. So, how many 10 can I get from 1? From 1, I cannot get 10 from this one. So, I will write 0 points. Then, put an invisible 0 behind that numerator, which is 1. Now, I say 10 divided by 10. From 10, I can get 10 once. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Then I write 1. So 1 over 10 is equals to 0.1. Let us look at another denominator, which is a multiple of 10. Let's say when I have 3 over 100. 3 over 100 means 3 divided by 100. How many 100 can I get from 3? 1, 2, 3. How many 100 can I get from it? None. So I will write 0 points and put an invisible 0 behind that 3. How many 100 can I get from 30? From 30 I cannot get 100. So I put another 0 and put an invisible 0 behind that 30. Now the 30 is no more 30, it's 300. How many 100 can I get from 300? That is 3. So 3 over 100 is equals to 0.03. What about a case where I have 7 over 1000? 7 divided by 1000. I can't get 1000 from 7. So I'll put 0 points and put an invisible 0 beside the 7. 70 divided by 1000. I can't get 1000 from 70. I put another 0 and put invisible 0 behind that 70. It is now 700. 700 divided by 1000. I can't get 1000 from 700. So I put a 0 here and an invisible 0 behind the 700. Now it is 7000. 7000 divided by 1000. I can get 1000 from 7000. That means 7 over 1000 is equals to 0.007. There is a quick twist that works with this, and that is the number of zeros at the denominator. Look at this. This is over 10. What this over 10 signifies is that I must have only one decimal point. only one figure at the back of the decimal point. And you can see what this 00 at the denominator signify is that in my decimal, I will have only 2 figures at the back of the decimal point. That is 2 decimal places. What this 3 zeros at the denominator here with 1000 signifies is that at the back of this decimal point, I'm going to be having 3 digits, which are 3 decimal places. Let's see how easy this can make my work. If I have 9/10, there is only 1 0 as my denominator. This is a multiple of 10. This is limited to only when you have your denominators as multiples of 10. Please get this right. So this means I will have 0 point, only 1 digit. And what is that 1 digit going to be? Just like this 1 is the only 1 digit. This 9, my numerator, is going to be the only digit. Let us see if that is true. 9 divided by 10 is 0 point. Then put an invisible 0 behind the 9, becomes 90. 90 divided by 10 is 9. Do you understand that twist? Let's take a second example. Let's say I have 7 divided by 100. This 100 means I should expect 2 digits at the back of the decimal point. And those 2 digits is going to contain the numerator. This numerator is 7. I will write it at the far end. So this empty space, what am I going to write there? I will insert 0. So 7/100 is equals to 0.07. Let us use the standard method. 7 divided by 100 is 0. I'll put an invisible 0. 70 divided by 100 is 0. I'll put an invisible 0. 700 divided by 100 is 7. Do you see how these twists work? What about if what I have is 23/100? I have 2 zeros at the denominator, and that denominator is a multiple of 10. So I expect that my decimal will have 2 decimal places, 2 digits at the back of the decimal point. So what are the 2 digits going to be? It's going to be my numerator. 3 is my unit. I will start it at the far end. But I also have 2. I'll put the 2. That means 23 divided by 100 is equal to 0.23. You want us to try this using the standard method? Yes, let's do it. 23 divided by 100. You can't get 100 from 23. So you put an invisible, you put a 0, 0 point, and put an invisible 0 behind the 23. It becomes 230. 230 divided by 100. You can only get 100 from 230. So that is the 2. The 2 is gone, remaining 30. Put another invisible 0 behind the 30. Now you have 300. How many 100 can I get from 300? That is 3. 0.23. I hope you are following. There are other cases where we have fractions that are not having multiples of 10 as their denominator. Let's look at such cases. As you are watching this video, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? Go now, click the subscribe button. There is a button right subscribe. click it, click the subscription button, and you will see a bell icon. Click on that icon so that you can always be notified when I drop new videos. Always remember to comment on my videos. Say thank you, ma. Say well done, ma. Ask questions on areas you are not clear on. This is a way you can help me as I'm helping you with this video. Thank you. Let's see example 7. What about if it is 1/2 I have? 2 is not a multiple of 10. You can see that this is different from the first set of examples we did. But there is no problem. What this means is 1 divided by 2. Let's go with it. How many 2 can I get from 1? I can't get any. So I put 0 point and put an invisible 0 behind the numerator. Now it is no more 1, it is now 10. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 0.5. That is how to convert to decimal. Let's look at when I have a situation like 2 divided by 5. Let's see 2 divided by 5. How many 5 can we get from 2? We cannot get any. So I'll put 0 point and put an invisible 0 behind that 2. Now it is no more 2, it is now 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So that means 2/5 is equals to 0.4. Let's see another example. Let's look at 3/4. How many 3 can I get? How many 4 can we get from 3? We can't get 4 from 3, so I put 0 point and put an invisible 0 behind that 3. It's now 30. 30 divided by 4, we can get 7. That is 28. So 30 divided by 4 is 7. And when you remove the 28 from 30, it will remain 2. That remaining 2, put an invisible 0 behind it. Now, 20 divided by 4 is 5. That means 3/4 is equals to 0.75. But let me ask you, or as you may be thinking in your mind, is it every time that a decimal must be 0 point something, 0 point something? No. It is also possible for you to have a situation like this, where I have an improper fraction. Let's say I have 10 divided by 4. This is an improper fraction. I will divide it the same way I do with other ones. This is 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4 is 2, and it will remain 2. I'll put decimal points behind that 2 because I cannot get another 4 from this 2. Then I'll put an invisible 0 behind the remainder. Now 20 divided by 4 is 5. That means 10/4 is equals to 2.5. This is terminating. You can see that everything we have been saying terminated. But it is not in all cases that it terminates. We have some cases where the decimal continues and continues. We call such recurring decimal, repeating decimal, unending decimal. Let's see that. Where I have 20 divided by 6. Look at 20 divided by 6. How many 6 can I get from 20? I can get 3. Points. This 20 will remain 2. I'll put an invisible 0 behind that 2. It has become 20 again. This 20 divided by 6 is still 3, and it will still remain 2. I'll put an invisible 0 behind that 2. It's 20 again. 20 divided by 6 is still 3, and that is how it will continue and continue unendingly. Unending. And this is what we call recurring decimal or unending decimal. What do I do in this case? I'm going to adopt approximation. This is approximately 3.3 or 3.33, as you may decide to choose. Okay? Is it only like this we can have the situation? No. We can have other situations, like having this. Yes, let us say 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3 is 6. It will remain 2. Put an invisible 0 behind that 2, you have another 20. That 20 divided by 3 will still give you 6, and it will still remain 2. Put another invisible 0 behind that 2, you still have 20 divided by 3. So this means the 6 will keep occurring, in this case, unending. So, to approximate it, maybe to 1 decimal place or to 2 decimal places, because the numbers at the back is up to 5 and even more than 5, I can round this up upon this 6, and that is 6.67. Oh, you have not watched my video on approximation. Make sure you go search my videos, search my channel, and see my lesson on approximation. Is going to help you a great deal. This is where we are going to stop on conversion of fractions to decimal. But let us see vice versa, how to convert from decimal to fraction. Let's see that. Conversion of decimals to fractions. This is always easier, just like every other topic in mathematics. Let's see how to go about it. Let me start with 0.5. What this means is having only 1 digit at the back of my decimal point means it is over 10. Only 1 digit. Only 1 0. What over 10? 0.5, which is 5. That is 5 over 10. You don't have to stop here. You have to reduce this to the lowest term. 5 can divide 5 and 5 can divide 10. 5 divides 5 once, 5 divides 10 twice. So that is equals to 1 over 2. Meaning that 0.5 equals to 1 over 2. How easy do you think that is? Very easy. Let's see another example. When I have 0.2, 0.2 means 1 digit at the back of the decimal point. That is over 10. What is going to be over 10? 0.2. 0.2 is 2. That is 2 over 10. I will not stop here. I will reduce my answer to the lowest term. 2 divides 2 once. 2 divides 10, 5. That is 1 over 5. Okay, let us see another example. What about if I have 0.03? 2 digits at the back of the decimal point means my denominator is going to have 2 zeros. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So what is going to be my numerator? 003. 003 is just 3. So 0.03 is 3 over 100. Let's see a case where I have 1.01. Let me take 1.02. When I have 1.02, 2 digits at the back of the decimal point, 0 and 2. That means my denominator is 100. 2 digits, 2 zeros. So what is going to be my numerator? 102. 102 means 102. And that is what is going to be my numerator. This is an improper fraction. I will change it to mixed number. 102 divided by 100 is 1. And it will remain 2 over 100. 2 and 100 can be reduced further. 2 divides 2 once. 2 divides 100 50 times. And my final answer is 1 whole 1 over 50. Do you see that? Let's see a situation where I have numbers like 3.75. 2 digits at the back of the decimal point. That means I have over 100, 2 zeros. And my numerator is going to be 375, which is 375 as my numerator. 375 divided by 100 is 3 wholes 75 over 100. Reducing 75 over 100 to the lowest term. 25 in 75 is 3. 25 in 100 is 4. And that is 3 wholes 3 over 4. And this is just the same method for all conversion from decimal to fraction. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will stop here. Remember to ask questions. Tell me the topic you want me to teach you. Say thank you in the comments. Say something in the comments. It helps to boost my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in another class.
Thank you for learning mathematics with Moni today. Do you know you are free to share my videos with your classmates, your colleagues, your friends, your cousins? Do that right now and be a blessing to them and to me.